Alright, fish number 1. Felt a lot bigger than 17 and a half. Took drag and everything. I thought I had another 5-pounder. Number 2. Caught in the same location, so there's a bed there. Alright, fish number 3. Another good solid fish. No monsters yet. I keep getting good bites, but they'll hit it, and then leave it alone. Yeah, a good solid fish, but it ain't gonna help me. About 18, 17 inches. Caught him right off the bank. Alright, another solid fish, but no monster. Here we go. Only got a few more minutes to fish until I have to get ready to go to work. Well, it's my 3rd day out here at my secret spot. Found out what the little nibbles were. Be crappie. Put a little nibble, set the hook, and snagged them. Alright, well, day 3 is plagued by small fish. Haven't caught a keeper. Well, I caught one keeper. There you go. 19 inch. Not the 21 I needed, but still a pretty good sized fish.